No one taught me the birds and the bees.
Well,
because I just put it anywhere. I put it in her ear and make her pregnant. So
when a man
works, right?
and a woman love each other, the woman
so dick in the ear.
That's
what I heard.
What?
That's what you said.
No, when a man loves a woman and a woman loves a man.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a start. You start there. You start with that. The woman allows the man
to put his dick in her ear.
No, in her lady part. An ear is not a lady part because a man has an ear.
Her testicles?
No, the other lady part.
Okay, the back bum.
No, a man has a back bum.